Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to explore an amazing AI video generator. With this tool, you can create stunning videos using AI. You can transform your text, images, or video prompts into high-quality videos using simple prompts. No technical skills required. Today, we will review a fantastic tool called DeeVid. The link is available in the video description. Once you click on the link in the description, you will land on the dashboard. First, click on the Try DeeVid button, and here you will see the main dashboard. DeeVid has a very user-friendly interface with multiple features, including image-to-video, text-to-video, AI image, AI avatar, AI video editor, AI music, and many more. Today, we will explore these features one by one. Let's start with the first feature, image-to-video. Generating a video from an image is very simple. Here you can upload a start image, middle image, and reference image. I will begin with the start image and upload it. For example, I have an action scene that I want to turn into an action video. I will enter a prompt like, create an action movie scene. I will enable the AI prompt option so that DeeVid can automatically detect and generate a realistic video. Next, I will select the settings. You can choose the model, Fast V2, Quality V2, Master V2, and Sora 2. Then select the quality resolution, set the video duration, and hit the Create button. The processing will begin, and after a short wait, you will see the AI-generated video according to your prompt. If needed, you can further edit it, extend it, apply lip sync features, and download it in HD quality. It's very simple and efficient. Next, let's explore text-to-video. In this section, you can enter any text, and DeeVid will convert it into a dynamic AI-generated video. For instance, I want a tense action scene in a narrow urban street with tall buildings on both sides, showing a man running fast while the camera chases him from behind. I enter this as my prompt, select the model, choose the aspect ratio, set the quality resolution, and hit the Generate button. The video processing starts.
Hey, what the? Move! Look out! My box is. Hey, what the? Move!
And within moments, DeeVid produces a video exactly according to the prompt. You can regenerate it, adjust your prompt, and download it in full HD quality. Now let's move to the AI image feature. Here you can create images using image-to-image, text-to-image, and templates. First, I will try image-to-image. I upload a reference image, for example, of a girl, and enter the prompt. A girl standing in a busy London street wearing a beautiful winter suit. Then I select the model. Here I will choose the newly launched Nano Brana Pro, set the aspect ratio and resolution, and hit the Generate button. The processing starts, and after a brief wait, DeeVid generates an image exactly according to my prompt. The results are impressive, and you can download the image in full HD quality. Next, we have the text-to-image feature. Here, you simply need to enter a text prompt, and DeeVid will convert it into an image. For example, I will enter a prompt, then select the Nano Brana Pro model, choose Spectra Show, and hit the Generate button. The processing will start, and within moments, DeeVid generates an image according to the prompt. After that, we have the template feature. Here you can select any template to generate images. For instance, I select a template, upload an image. Let's say an image of 3 friends, then select Spectra Show as the model and output and hit Generate. The AI will process it, and within moments, you can see the resulting image generated according to your prompt. Next, we have the AI avatar feature, which you can try to create personalized avatars. Following that is the AI video editor. Here you can edit any video using DeeVid. Simply upload your video or image, add a reference image, and specify the changes you want. For example, I uploaded a girl's image and want to replace her with another reference image. After hitting the Create button, The AI processes it and replaces the image, generating a high-quality, realistic result. This feature is extremely useful and worth trying. Finally, we have the AI music feature. You can create music by entering the type of music you want. For example, if I want to create romantic music, I select the music type such as vocal or instrument and hit generate. DeeVid will process the request and produce music according to your instructions.
Every star a secret, it seems to keep your faults out. A melody dancing through my.
As you can see, generating images, videos, avatars, and music with DeeVid is very simple and efficient. The link is available in the video description. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Bye-bye.